periodontal disease.
Hi, I'm Dr. Webb, a veterinarian at Banfield Pet Hospital. As your partner in pet care, it's our goal to help keep your pet healthy and happy. Today, we're going to share some information with you about periodontal disease.
If your pet is showing signs of dental disease, such as bad breath, decreased appetite, pain when chewing or chewing only on one side of the mouth, weight loss, yellow teeth, red or swollen gums, tearing or swelling below one eye, it's important to make an appointment for an oral exam. During your pet's exam, your Banfield veterinarian will take a close look at the teeth and gums to determine if your pet has dental disease and, if so, the severity of the disease. They will then create a treatment plan to help address the issue. To help keep dental disease from developing, early prevention and detection is key. Brushing your pet's teeth at home using pet toothpaste and providing dental chews, in addition to twice-yearly oral exams by your Banfield veterinarian, will help maintain the health of your pet's teeth. Your Banfield veterinarian can also recommend a special dental diet, dental chew, or water additive to discourage tartar buildup. And just like us, annual professional dental cleanings as prescribed will help keep your pet's teeth and gums in top shape. Most pets with severe dental disease will need specialized treatment, including a professional dental cleaning and possibly additional therapy. Professional dental cleanings are performed on pets under carefully monitored general anesthesia. Your pet will receive a thorough professional dental care procedure, which includes scaling above and below the gum line, ultrasonic cleaning, polishing, and an oral rinse. The doctor may also recommend additional therapy to diagnose or treat disease, including x-rays, tooth removal, pain medications, antibiotic gels for the gums, or oral surgery. Thanks for listening. Remember, you know your pet best, and we know how to help you keep them healthy. For more information on this and other pet healthcare topics, visit Banfield.com.